Hello everyone, Ashley here. This is a recorded guide on how to use a Unihub to access certain files which probably you haven't seen before. So just uh, be mindful that what you see might slightly be different to yours when you log in on Unihub. The reason being that I have a staff profile, whereas you have a student profile, so all this might not look familiar to you or might look different at least. So I'll go straight to the MSO1740 page, which hopefully is something that you've seen before. Right, so this is the MSO1740 module page, and there are a few things that you might not see on your profile or on your page, but I can. So right now, this set of links here would be for the books. I've already emailed you book one and book two. I'm just clicking on one here. So this is book one PDF file, which you have book two as well. I've already emailed. I haven't emailed book three just in case you want to download. Similarly, here these are the lecture slides. You have all the lecture slides for book one, and I've emailed you a zip folder for book two. If I click on it, you will see all the PowerPoint slides until week 14, because week 15 will be your test. Going back, this is again the workshop lab file. So all the Excel files are here. Uh, you have been sent Excel files or Excel lab files for up to week 15. The rest is still hidden, so you won't see these things here because it's hidden for students. I mean, you guys can't see it. Doesn't matter because I've already emailed them to you. Scrolling down, same for workshops. That's the seminar answers, which I've emailed till week 14, 15. The rest I'll email as well. So there's nothing much to worry about here. Going back up uh, on the page here, you will see two links, which I don't know if you've ever tried to explore. This one will have limited lecture videos, recorded ones. So it's just for week 1 to week 9. It's up to you if you want to refresh your mind on these, and it might make sense if you want to study or revise a few lectures that we've done in the first book. Then the next link here would be the PowerPoint slides with audio. I'm not going to download it because it's quite big, so you can. So what we did yesterday was probability lecture. So if you click on this, you'll download the PowerPoint plus audio recording, which was done in Hendon. So this is if you want to revise yesterday's notes. All this is important because students who are struggling with the connection and can't come on Zoom, or students who want to revise, then they can go through these PowerPoint with audio. At least we know we have up to book 2 here. So go ahead and click and download and listen to these, read and listen to these PowerPoint audio recording. That's it. Thank you.